So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please go ahead to like, share and subscribe. Is this goddamn elevator working? Why am I coming here, son? Come on by this shit. I don't understand what I'm going with it. I waste my time. I don't think it'll work. No, what I would it. I think all of my time will be in Canada today, the most challenging day for me. I'm gonna take the GO bus today. Not the GO bus, the train, the GO train today. And I think it's gonna be a challenge for me because I'm going downtown. I'm the first time I go downtown by myself. So this is a take the train with me. I'm gonna meet up with my dad. So I'm at Pickering Town Center. We'll walk over to catch the train, the GO train, and then from there I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. So you guys are gonna be tagging along with me on this trip. I was trying to take the elevator, but the elevator don't look like it's at work. So just can't run on this long journey because I want to go get a French vanilla. So yeah. Alright, so I got the French vanilla for the road, Tim Martins, and I'm gonna try to catch the train for 10:57. Let's go. And girl is looking just like one of the fine people there. T. Bag to the lower side, not too low, or my coat in my hand. I need to put on my coat, joggers and sneakers. Let's go. We're getting the bus for 10:57. I'll leave my watch there. Gotta have the ring though. It's a wife thing. But I don't pay me that bad, like literally. I try 8:30, I don't know. Let's go. 50% off. At them the sign there. No one see a Jamaica like real 50% off. Not true. Guys, tired. Stop the talking. 10:57. What time is it now? Okay, so I have to go up and go through this tunnel that you see right here to go over across over there. Because over there is a GO station. So I have to go to here, go to the tunnel, and then go over across the road. Oh God. I don't know if I'm going to catch a bus because it's now 10:39 and I'm tired. This is Canada, people, so I had to throw on my coat, my patrolman coat, and I've never come at the GO station. I can't use it. So, look here. This time I come to Canada, I'm tired to tell nobody can left me around for find when we're out, so we're finding our way out downtown by ourselves today. Alright? Yeah. Up to the tunnel now, let's do this. What on the look here? Up on the stairs. I'm bad. I'm tired. I'm tired. No. I'm tired. God no. Which way am I going now? Jesus, talk to me. Alright. Terminal bus trains this way. Terminal bus train. Alright. Alright, so we're crossing the road using the bridge. Oh God. It's all about enjoying my own company. But I'm on coast. Alright. I just gotta update on my phone. But what's the train delay? You know what? If you left me 10:42. Okay, I made it on time. Alright, so I asked questions and he said this side. The sun is so warm, but it's kind of breezy. So yeah. Let's see. Where do I stop? And all of that. So this is one train. I'm trying to get the one that's going the other direction. So yeah, I probably should have brought a charger. Brought a charger because I feel like my battery's gonna die. I don't know, but I hope not. The battery can't die because on my phone I channel me to where exactly I should go. So what's up now? I found the section where I should stand and wait on the train, which is down here. What I almost missed up, I almost went to platform platform 2, and platform 2 is going to Oshawa. I should be coming down through platform 1. So I almost made a mistake and go to platform 2. But I saw a young man and I asked him, hi, I'm going downtown. Which should I go? Should I go here or there? He said I should actually go platform 1, so I had to turn back and go to platform 1, which was like, I was just right in the middle, like up there, so I was just right in the middle somewhere, and I just came down to this tunnel here, right here, this one. I almost went through that one. So that one is going that way, but I'm going that way. So that's the update. So I'm currently waiting on the train, and it's not cold. So I'm happy I wore like just a light jacket. This jacket is kind of close. This one is actually kind of close. This one I'm my own. I left mine in Jamaica. I don't know why I left mine in Jamaica. I mean, no, I'm not wear Jamaica because Jamaica not cold enough to wear it. I don't know, but yeah, that's update. I may have Wi-Fi on the bus too, so that's good. On the train. I feel like with this, I feel like we need to tour more. Like tomorrow, I feel like I got Oshawa tomorrow. I got Oshawa tomorrow with no question asked. I'm going to Oshawa tomorrow. So far, I'm going to tap my Presto. So probably I'm going to have to tap the Presto. I'm going to have to tap the Presto probably when we reach a Union Station. Yeah. Guys, you know what I want? What Canadian subscriber them confirms to me? If there is a beach. It's seawater there, Canada. So it says it has 3 water borders. It has the Pacific, the Atlantic, and the Arctic border. So we are confirmed that this is the seawater. One day the east, one day I don't know if the east, north, or wherever. I don't know. But yeah, I'm reaching my first stop, which is Rouge Hill. So I have 5 more stops to do because the train has to make 6 stops before I get to Union Station. You see all of this now? Them always tell me that all of this is the lake. Yeah, it's not that big. So yeah, but I see people probably have said, you have to learn. So yeah, that's just all. Second stop, guys. Second stop. So I have 4 more stops to go. Alright guys, so Union Station. I'm at Union Station. Go, and I think I'm gonna tap the Presto now. I'm gonna tap the Presto from my company train. So I must have tap the Presto now. I'm downtown. I think I'm downtown. So now I'll get probably a subway to go exactly over the mall. I think I'm downtown. It's the Union Station. So I'm waiting on the train to stop to get off. So that's the CN Tower over there. Yeah. So waiting on the train to the car to stop, but we're basically downtown. It's just to get the subway down to get to the mall. Okay guys, so I made it downtown to Eden Center. I had to grab the subway after I came off the Go Bus. So I did the Go Bus, then the subway, and now I'm down here. So it's just a whole heap of confusion in father now, like for him to find his way down here. I'm in the middle where there's so many stores that I want to go in. Old Navy here, H&M there, Blue Notes there. Although, but I'm gonna have to figure out my father. So we figure this out first and then let you guys know. So guys, now downtown Eaton Center, but I wanted to take my father and his wife to Urban Planet. And Urban Planet is not at Eaton Center anymore, so that's a bummer for me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm booking an Uber to take them to Urban Planet outside of the mall. But it's actually a lift. The first time I actually booked a lift. And I use the bathroom, but I'm not seeing them as yet. Was going to take a public transportation because I have my own card, Presto. But I guess it's just for all of us just to take an Uber. It's really fine. So that's the update. Downtown East Internet is mall is not popping anymore. I would not come back down here. I feel like down here is a waste of time. I'd definitely not come back down here. Like down here is a waste of time. Probably if I am coming with somebody just to show them, or they just come downtown for a different reason. But I'll definitely not come back down here. Waste. It's a whole waste. So I definitely forgot to update you guys. After a long day, I went from downtown to Dufferin Mall. So now I'm back on the subway to get back to Pickering House. I totally forgot. So I'm on the subway now. To get back to the Union Station. So that's the update. Been a last. I'm heading back home.
Please stand clear of the doors.
So that's the direction thing that tell you where the stops are and where you should come off and which stop or reach. So yeah. This is the stop for me that I'm gonna get off, and I made it back to Pickering. So I'm currently on the GO train, not the subway again. I'm on the GO train, so I made it back to Pickering, and I'm gonna get off in a few minutes. So yeah, Pickering GO station. Alrighty. Guys, I made it back to Pickering, but the breeze kind of chilly. I wonder if it took look clean because the floor, I made it back to Pickering, and I'm waiting on Maya to come and grab me from over the station here. So that's what's up. But this is where I'm gonna close out this vlog. I'm gonna close out this vlog. People, hold on. I'm gonna close out this vlog. I hope this video did something for anybody who is living in Canada and don't know how to take the train or the public transportation and all of that. So if you're new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in another vlog. Maya is here. Oh, she is here. So bye.